Imagine embarking on a journey where your hotel glides effortlessly from one breathtaking destination to the next, where your days are filled with endless entertainment, gourmet dining, and serene ocean views, all without the stress of unpacking multiple times or enduring long airport lines. For those who seek a travel experience that combines luxury, convenience, and adventure, cruises offer an unparalleled escape. In this guide, we'll explore some compelling reasons why cruising not only rivals, but often surpasses the traditional vacation by flight or road. From the all-inclusive nature of these voyages to the unique experiences you can only find at sea, discover why more travelers are choosing to sail away on their next adventure.
Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be sharing the reasons why I prefer cruises to other trips. I love cruises because they get to give you accommodation, meals, entertainment, activities, and this just helps you to manage your overall budget without stressing out or without spending more money while you've already paid for your services. My second reason is the ability to visiting multiple destinations without incurring extra cost. This is one of my favorite reasons why I book cruises as much as possible. Let's say if I just want to go to explore a Caribbean island, I can take a cruise between 5 to 7 days and I'm able to visit 2 to 3 islands without spending extra money. Cruises simplify your planning because once you book your cruise, your meals, your entertainment, your drinks, everything else is included, except with an option of excursions for those people who want to explore more. So that is a plus. You only get to unpack once. The best thing with cruises, once you unpack your bags, your floating hotel will just take you to your different destinations without worrying yourself. How cool is that? My fifth reason is social opportunities. While on the cruise, you have the ability to meet people from different cultures and all around the world, and this gives you an opportunity to mingle and get to make and meet new friends. This is like one of my most expected activities to just do on the cruise. I'm always anticipating on meeting different people and from different cultures and just getting to learn from each other. My other most important reason is no long delays or layovers. Unlike flights where you might encounter cancellations, long layovers or delays, with cruises they follow a set schedule which helps reduce the travel stress. So I also love that about cruises. Relaxation and leisure. Cruises provide an opportunity to relax with scenic views, pools and spas without a rush and stress often associated by flight or regular trips. The other thing I love about cruises is it's a family-friendly environment. Cruises cater to all ages. It has kids-friendly activity. It has a teen club, adult-only spaces, making them ideal for family vacation. Easy embarkation and disembarkation process. Unlike flights where you have to deal with long queues or long lines while you're going to board your flight, or even just the process of you getting from the check-in counters, going through security, then going through your flight, it's a lot of hassle and hectic process that comes with it. With cruise ship, it's not like that. Once you've checked in for your cruise ship, it's already registered that you've checked in. All you have to do is get into the port the right time, like at least an hour to 2 hours before your ship departs, for you to start the check-in process. And once you're there, you're gonna just line up and the security screening is very easy. Once you get into the port, we already have people out there who are picking your bags from you because you've already checked in. They already know your room number. They take your bags from you so that you can just get to queue or line up so that you can go through security for them to check your documentation, pass by the security screening, and voila, you're you're on your ship. How easy is that? They really make the process very easy and hassle-free, which I really love, because when you're traveling, the last thing you want to have is a stressful vacation. I really love that about cruises, about them making the process super easy and simple for their passengers. Cruises are just budget friendly. If you're kind of a person who is looking to having fun, enjoying your life, visiting different countries or cities, or just getting to experience different excursions, meeting people, if you're a social person, learning about different cultures, then cruises should be a plug for you. And guys, I'm telling you, like, once you try a cruise once, you'll at least want to be going for a cruise at least once or twice each year, because they are very fun to be on and even inexpensive. Let me know in the comment section below, how much did you pay for your cruise, all inclusive? Let's have a conversation. The other reason I prefer cruises is the exceptional dining options. Cruises often include the diverse dining experiences, from casual buffets to gourmet restaurants, with a chance to try a variety of cuisines without leaving the ship. How beautiful is that? And guys, if you're a person who loves to eat like me, cruises have food 24/7. It doesn't matter when and what time you're going to wake up. Whenever you turn to this corner, you get you some food. To this corner, you get you some food. Of course, like, they have hours where they have elegant dinners or elegant meals. They have a period of time where they have to stop that, but in between the entire time you're on the cruise, let's say from 11 till the time they serve it, they have to serve for a bigger breakfast or the main breakfast. They have finger foods like fries, pizzas, burgers, so you will never go hungry when you're on the ship. My best part about being on the ship, ice cream. There's something about the ice creams, oh, so delicious. That's my favorite part about being on a cruise too, getting to have my ice cream whenever I want it. How thoughtful of them. The other reason is the unique experiences at sea. I really love sea days. Sea days, you just get to enjoy the beautiful views from the skylines. The views are amazing. I think one thing I really also enjoy while I'm on a cruise is just being able to look the world unwind. Everything is just beautiful. If there's something that you can really enjoy watching while on the ship, is the scenic views. The scenic views are just amazing. You cannot compare it to anything else. I think that is one other reason that really attracts me and just motivates me to booking my cruises. Cruises provide a wide range of onboard entertainment options, from Broadway style shows and live music to comedy clubs, casinos and more, all within ease of reach. And this also gives you an opportunity to get to explore which entertainments you love. Like, they have set schedule for different kinds of entertainment, so you are able to at least juggle in between your schedule to just see which kind of entertainment suits you. Once you're on a cruise ship, you're never going to get bored. They have entertainment for everybody. Most cruises offer organized show excursions that allow you to explore local cultures, landmarks, and adventures without you having to plan for them yourself. Very thoughtful of them, because guys, you know how planning can be so costly, and at times, depending on who is planning your trip, not everybody is trustworthy out there. Guys, last but not least, I would like to thank each and every one of you for taking your time to come and hang out with me. These were my reasons why I prefer cruise trips more than regular trips. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you prefer? Do you now prefer cruise trips, regular trips, or do you prefer regular trips to cruise trips? If so, did this video motivate you to start your cruise journey? If so, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're a seasoned cruise expert, please let me know in the comment section below, what are some of your reasons why you prefer taking cruise more than regular trips? please remember to give me a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me grow. Until next time, see you in my next one. Bye.